Are we ready?
Yes, I am.
Oh, look at this. Hello, how are you?
Hi. How are you doing?
Actually, perfect timing. Would you like to explain to everyone what we're getting ready to do?
Yes, I would love to. Hi, everybody. So we are here in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida, where I lived, by the way, about 6 years of my life. Beautiful city, and the downtown is booming right now. And a major event has come to downtown St. Petersburg, and it is Enchant Christmas, which is the world's largest Christmas light maze. And we, of course, have to get our twinkle on right now and go see the world's largest Christmas light maze, because how can you not? So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're gonna follow Jason's beautiful camera work, and we're gonna lead you through this beautiful maze.
Well, why don't we come in just real fast and just show everybody the lobby real quick. I think we'll be fine.
Well, you do that.
After you. You lead the way. Here we are, the beautiful Hollander Hotel.
It's official, guys. Here we are. We are entering the enchanted maze. Follow us.
Oh, look. To the right, food market.
No, she gave me specific directions for the Christmas market, not the food.
Oh, there's a Christmas market too. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, do it. Go ahead.
You go for it.
Whatever they're across from New Orleans.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, what is your name? Happy Christmas. I love it, and I love how you said Happy Christmas, not Merry Christmas.
Yes.
I definitely like your way better.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that is so like
That's how we say it in Christmas
on
town.
point. I love it. Happy Christmas.
Are you going to help us find all the reindeer this evening?
Absolutely.
And that's the spirit. So, as you go through our maze, you'll notice that there are 9 reindeer total that have gone missing. So, after you've found them, you can go to our maze exit and write a letter to Santa Claus himself.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, and be sure to find the exit on the other side, as there is a golden coin made of chocolate waiting for you.
What?
I know.
Okay. Could you just say that one more time?
A golden coin made of chocolate waiting.
Oh my God, that is so cool. I'm excited. A golden coin. Are you ready for the golden coin?
I am ready for the golden coin. Let's go.
Let's go.
Have fun on your journey.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas to you.
told me about a newborn king to see our finest gifts to bring to lay before the king. And so to honor him when we come. Oh, little baby, I am a poor boy too, I have no gift to bring, that's fit to give the king. And so I'll play for you on my drum.
And you're like from the really cool other dimension, like Santa North Pole,
I am.
right?
How'd you
Yeah,
guess?
I know.
How'd you guess?
I know. Well, she told us that if we found all the reindeer, which we were just so awestruck by all the lights. No, we're kind of still working on it. But she said that we could get a gold coin.
I won't tell Santa. You can have one.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah,
Look at that. Look at that. You are so sweet. Thank you. And what is your elfin name?
Oh, I'm Sprinkles.
Sprinkles! Oh my God, I love it. Happy Christmas, Sprinkles.
Happy Christmas.
Now, is that what Santa says too? Happy Christmas
I
or?
say Merry Christmas, but that's okay. I like Happy Christmas.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. And what does Santa say?
Santa says Merry Christmas, ho ho ho.
That's right, ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho.
I love it. Thank you.
Christmas, guys.
Bye.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.